Okay, hi everybody. Welcome back. I'm Evan.sophir with William Ravis Real Estate. For those who don't know, I'm a residential realtor in South Florida, and today I'm joined by a very special guest, Mr. Adam Young of Insurance Express.
Hello,
Thank you for
everyone.
joining me today, Adam. Adam
Okay.
has been doing insurance for a decade. He specializes in home auto insurance. He also does boat insurance and all different types of insurance. So Adam is here today to educate those who have any insurance questions, or he's going to give a little bit of insight into what he's been doing every day in spite of the coronavirus, and just to give some updates on his industry and how him and his company are helping clients at this time. So Adam, I'll let you take it from here. What is something that you'd like to send out to everybody who has any insurance needs or questions?
Well, my contact information is down below, and with Insurance Express. The biggest thing that I've noticed lately is a lot of the carriers are sending out rate increases, large rate increases. And with everything going on with the coronavirus right now, and people are out of work, every dollar counts. So
Right,
with the carriers taking 25% rate increases, 30%,
right,
it's time to really look at your policy and see, is there something more competitive out there? And with Insurance Express, we work with over 50 different carriers. So it gives us the opportunity to shop the whole market and really explore the opportunities to save some money, maybe get better coverage, and lower your mortgage payment.
right. Exactly. No, that sounds great. And let me ask Adam real quick, 'cause I don't think I even know this. How did you get started in the insurance business?
Well, it's funny because I just woke up one day and I said I wanted to get in the insurance business. I don't know why or how or why.
No, no big like snap or no big sign or anything like that. Just it just felt right.
Just woke up one day and said, "Hey, I want to give this a try." And then I started on the life and health side
Right,
for a little bit, and then I got the opportunity to come work at Insurance Express,
right,
and it's been dynamite ever since. Our company has been around over 25 years. We have about 40 different agents in our office, about 100 employees. So we're a large agency, and we deal with every carrier that's out there. And so if
right.
there's an opportunity to insure you, we have it.
All right. Yes, it sounds great. Thank you for elaborating. And then let me pose one more question to you. What is in spite of everything that's going on, COVID-19 and all,
Mhm.
what is the biggest question that you're getting from maybe relatives, friends? What there is one thing that you could let the masses know about insurance at this time, what would it be?
Well,
Specifically home
everyone,
and auto insurance.
auto insurance, a lot of the carriers are giving rebates right now, so take advantage of that.
Okay,
Uh,
that's
Call
important.
your carrier and say, hey, what are you giving back?
Right,
So that's a good plus. And
right,
then on the home side, take advantage of the opportunity to shop it around right now while you're at home and you do
right,
have some time to concentrate on it, and really ask the questions to your agent or call me and ask the questions. What is my coverage? How does it affect me?
right,
How, do I have enough mold coverage? Do I have enough water damage coverage?
right.
Whatever it might be that sparks your interest, that those are the questions should come up.
Right, absolutely. Yeah, I think it's really important because really I think there are some people who may not realize that there are, like you said, rebates that they can talk to their auto insurance agent about. Uh,
Hmm.
home, they might want to go over their coverages again. They might want to shop around rates. Maybe they can get a discounted rate somewhere or one that's better than the one they currently have, or maybe even more coverages and more helpful tools to prevent any knock on wood disasters or anything possibly happening to their home. So that'd
Right,
be great.
exactly. And sometimes with the hustle and bustle, when, as you know, when people are buying a home,
Yes.
insurance is not top of mind, and they
Right.
really just want to get something to get covered
Right.
and get through the closing.
Right.
But a good agent is going to make sure that they're well covered, and
Absolutely.
to review that every year is important.
Right. Absolutely. No, I 100% agree. And yeah, as far as the real estate side goes, Adam is again does home insurance and auto insurance. Most that's what he primarily specializes in. So he's a great contact for me to have because any of my clients who are looking to buy a home specifically, or maybe sell a home and get into another home, or maybe just the client who bought a home a few years ago and now is having some of the questions that Adam's talking about or wanting some answers, and he would fill right in that slot where he would be the perfect person that I could, relay them to, or I could refer him to one of my clients who has those questions. So it's
I
perfect. Thank you,
appreciate
Adam.
it. No problem.
Thank you. And here, I'll take it for the real estate side. I know right before we started recording this interview, Adam and I were talking, and he was mentioning that he's been getting some questions or comments about relatives about, what is the situation with people being allowed to go in and see homes during this time of the coronavirus. And again, today it is April 23rd. So if anybody's watching this and it's May, it may not perfectly apply, but hopefully it will. So right now in April, there are some communities and some associations that have shut down showings for the time being, specifically country clubs because of COVID-19. However, there are also some associations which do, of course, allow showings. So I've been saying to all of my clients, anybody who has any questions about this, that if you do want to go see a house, or you do want to show your house as a seller, just make sure that whoever's coming in takes all of the necessary precautions as far as face masks, hand gloves, using hand sanitizer, or better yet, if it's possible, virtual showings are a great way to go. You can do that via FaceTime or via Zoom, which is what Adam and I are recording this discussion on now. So they are definitely possible. If you're not comfortable with it, no worries. I myself would be happy to work with you and to plan going forward on what you can do to, get into a home. I'd be happy to go preview a home for you and again, put it on FaceTime or Zoom. So there are different things that we can do to see homes or to plan to see homes during this time. And then one more message I wanted to say too to sellers is that I've gotten quite a few calls from people that I know saying that their home hasn't sold, and maybe it's because of this this whole COVID-19 situation. And in reality, that definitely does absolutely play a role. But another reason why the home may not have sold at this time, again, it may not have sold because the price may be either too high or maybe even too low. It may sound like a discount to some buyers, or it might be priced slightly too high, and just lowering an increment sometimes helps you open up to other home buyers. And the best way to price your home is to do it by the comparable sales in the neighborhood as far as the price per square foot of the home. So if anyone would like more information about how to price their home, what their home would most likely go for based on the community and area that it's in, please let me know at any time, because I'm doing lots of math all day, Adam, on price per square foot and communities and lowering and increasing incremental in prices due upon the features of the home. So if anyone had a question about pricing, again, you could always reach out to me. My contact information is here as well. So Adam, is there anything else you'd like to leave us with?
Well, I just wanted to mention your virtual tours have been really good and very informative. So they've been great. So any seller that's out there, I definitely recommend calling Evan and putting your house on the market, and he's gonna take care of you and make sure it gets sold in the appropriate amount of time and price.
Thank you. I appreciate that, and my referral right back to you, Adam. So Adam is also in my BNI group, and we're looking for new members in numerous fields. Currently, we do have some positions filled, but we are looking for today. I guess we'll put out that we're looking for lots of blue collar workers, right, Adam? We're looking for
definitely
plumbers,
electricians.
Yeah, electricians. Yes, plumbers, electricians. Really, honestly, anybody in general. But I guess today we're calling all blue collar workers today. So. But yeah, our BNI group meets every Friday. It's based out of Boca Raton, and now for the time being, we are all meeting via Zoom or via video chat here on the computer. So if you'd like more information about that, you can message either me or Adam, and we'll help you get into our networking group. Thank you very much, Adam, and I will see you online at our next meeting.
Yeah.